Just listen. When it is necessary to make notes, I will exactly tell you and guide you. Let's begin. Have you ever wondered why certain things keep happening in your life? Why some people experience ease while others face repeat challenges? Is it luck, destiny, or something deeper? In today's session, we are going to understand one of the most powerful universal laws, karma, and how it shapes your life through cause, effect, and conscious choices. Move towards our introduction to topics. Welcome to Chapter 2, Cosmic Philosophy and Karma. In this lecture, we will explore the true meaning of karma, the law of cause and effect, the balance between destiny and free will, and how life experiences help you grow. Let's begin with the foundation. Subtopic 1, Meaning of Karma. Karma is a central idea in Indian philosophical traditions. The word karma comes from Sanskrit, meaning action or deed. But in a deeper sense, karma is not just action. It is the law of cause and effect governing the universe. Very simply, every action creates a reaction. Every choice shapes future experiences. If you act with awareness and kindness, gives you create positive outcomes. If you act with negativity or ignorance, gives you create challenging outcomes. And remember, this is not punishment or reward. This is a natural law just like gravity. Karma and cosmic philosophy. In cosmic philosophy, karma is seen as a universal balancing system, a record of your intentions and actions, a mechanism for growth and learning. Karma connects. Past gives present gives future. Thought gives action gives result. And very importantly, karma is not just about what you do physically. It also includes your thoughts, your intentions, your emotions. So even what you think matters. Now, types of karma mein. To understand karma better, we divide it into 3 types. 1. Sanchita karma gives your accumulated past karma. 2. Prarabdha karma gives the karma you are experiencing right now. 3. Agami karma gives the karma you are creating through present actions. This means your past influences your present, but your present is creating your future. Let's discuss in more easy way. Let's simplify karma with modern examples. Karma is like a bank account. Good actions equals deposits. Negative actions equals withdrawals. Your life equals balance. Karma is like planting seeds. Kindness gives peace. Anger gives conflict. Or like physics, every action has a reaction. So karma is not belief, it is a pattern. Subtopic 2, Cause and Effect 4. Now let's go deeper. Cause and effect means every cause creates an effect. Every effect comes from a cause. Nothing in life is random. Your thoughts create actions. Your actions create results. Your results shape your future. For example, you study gives, you succeed. You speak kindly gives, you build trust. You ignore health gives, you face problems. Life is a system. Subtopic 3, Destiny vs Free Will. This is a very important concept. Destiny is what comes to you. Free will is how you respond. You may not control where you are born, what situations arise, but you always control your thinking, your actions, your decisions. Think of it like a card game. Destiny gives the cards. Free will is how you play them, and that changes your future. Subtopic 4, Growth through experiences. Now let's understand something powerful. Life is not happening to you. It is happening to teach you. Every experience has a lesson. Challenges gives build strength. Failure gives builds wisdom. Pain gives creates depth. Success gives builds responsibility. Growth happens when the experience gives reflect, gives understand, gives transform. Same situation plus new awareness equals growth. Subtopic 5, Planetary Cycles. In astrology, we also study planetary cycles. But understand this clearly. Planets do not control your life. They indicate timing. Karma equals what you experience. Planetary cycles equals when it happens. Keep a purari head. Like seeds equals karmara. Seasons equals timing point T09. Bali first 16 permit. You cannot stop the rain, but you can carry an umbrella. Let's summarize. Karma is not punishment. Karma is not fate. Karma is responsibility, max possibility. Cause and effect is universal. Destiny and free will work together as Life experiences are for growth. Awareness changes your future. Final message to all. Let me leave you with one powerful line. Karma is the universal law that every thought, intention, and action creates a corresponding result in life. So the real question is not what is happening to you. The real question is what are you creating right now? If this lecture gave you clarity, like, share, and comment your biggest insight. And remember, as the blooming lotus touches you within, like, share, comment, subscribe, bloom again, bloom in or W bloom within.